it's a great day to come to Key West.
Okay, here's Sugarloaf Key. Stunning. Look at that. I wish there was a place to like a, you know, like a...
Yeah, like a scenic stop.
Yeah, scenic stop.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful here today. And what's interesting is that the highway circles the perimeter of the island.
So we're kind of getting into the middle of stuff, but we got to find a parking spot.
Right, we'll find.
But see, that says $40.
So a truck or van.
Yeah.
Did it say 25 or what was it?
Yeah.
Outside, it said 25. You just raised it.
It was 30 anyway, so it's $30.
Okay, so you just raised the price. Okay, thank you. Oh, was it? It's only $6.
No, it was. Actually, it was 30 and anyway.
Well, we saw 25 on the street.
So
yeah, for compact cars.
Okay, so okay.
Okay.
That's
That's an 100. I wouldn't give him that.
You doing me, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Please drive around, come back here, and get the fuck out of here. Bye.
Okay.
You said that on video, loser.
Yeah. Okay. See the sticker thing on the bottom?
Yeah.
Look, up here he left his 25.
Okay. The main drag here is Duval Street, famous throughout the world. There's a shopping and entertainment district. You can rent mopeds, bikes, golf carts, you name what. On the left is Rips. And the #1 bar for tourists and also locals is called Sloppy Joe's. So today we're going to check out Sloppy Joe's. Sloppy Joe's is the in-place for drinks. They have a limited food menu here. More hamburgers, salads, fries, that kind of stuff. They have a lot of live music. Right now, this guy's doing his best. And here's an ubiquitous tour of Key West. And this is where the highway ends at mile 0. The birthplace of key lime pie. Oh, key lime gumballs.
Gum.
Oh, so this is where they make the key lime pies.
Yeah.
So they're mixing the filling of limes. Okay, so those are the pies. Have they been baked yet, or are they ready to be
Those look
baked?
like they're baked in their setting, like they're cooling.
Good. So where are the limes then? Or they I don't see any limes here. So they use limes used for key lime pie?
Yeah.
So you just pour the stuff in and I can make a key lime pie?
You gotta follow the directions.
So how does it get milky and creamy then?
It probably has cream in it. How
Really?
much? Condensed milk.
Condensed milk, okay. This lady's the queen of key lime pies. And look at the elegant pool and patio at the Duval Inn. So 81A has a general curve around the island. Wow, look at those great looking boats in the marina. Actually, it's not even a marina, it's actually a cove. Hyatt Vacation. And Key West has golfing opportunities too.
There's the airport.
Key West International Airport. Coming up on the left is a public beach for Key West. It's very well landscaped and maintained, although the sand quality is a little bit rocky as compared to the Gulf Coast and Florida beaches and the beaches of Destin and Panama City. Gene, what's this?
Conch train.
Really? Hey, today we're eating at the Blue Heaven. They have both indoor and outdoor dining in a historic building here in the Keys. This place is a lively spot. Look at the bar, look at the food, the colors. What a magical place. I definitely feel on the Keys, someplace exotic, someplace different. Blue Heaven is my piece of blue. Key West Lighthouse. This is one of the signature attractions in the Key West metropolitan area. So it's one way up and down the lighthouse. Yeah, it's pretty ambitious climbing all these steps here. So I took a stop here. I got another about 40 steps to go. This is pretty intimidating. Some view, huh?
Yeah.
And there's a panoramic view of Key West. One must-see stop is the Hemingway home here, home to one of the greatest literary titans in America. So this is the exterior, very dramatic. I love the terraces. The Hemingway house is smaller than you might expect. There's less than 10 rooms in the house, but the property is gorgeous, sitting on a site that's a little over 1.5 acres. You'll see lush tropical trees and flowering plants. So Hemingway had a studio where he did all his writing before word processors. They used to use typewriters, kind of like this thing. And here we are at the luxurious Kimpton Lighthouse Inn. There are a series of bungalows. Now we're passing the Green Parrot Bar, a vintage bar in Key West. Lots of atmosphere and vibes at the Green Parrot. Come to Key West and get plastered. And if you really want a sweet craving, try Matheson's cookies. They also have ice cream too. Some key lime pie. Cookies are really good. This is a track house. And look at the lovely Banyan timeshare. Daily rentals are available too. And I just love all the classic Florida architecture. There's a shopping and entertainment district. And if you really want a sweet craving, try Matheson's cookies. They also have ice cream too. Cookies are really good. And this is the Conch tour, not cheap. Runs you about $30 for on and off tours of Key West. And there's incredible water views here of the Gulf of Mexico at the Atlantic Ocean here in Key West. Look at the island in our foreground. Very tropical. This place is absolute paradise. And the Pier House is perhaps the nicest traditional hotel in Key West. It's been here for years and years. There's no place with finer landscaping. Very tropical, a mellow Caribbean resort vibe. Now you're looking at the tropical pool area, the lush palm trees here at the Pier House. The bar is a happening spot too. And they have their own private beach here too.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that cool? That's what I was
yeah. So Janine, this is Mallory Square?
Yeah. No.
Because at night there is a sunset celebration. Remember the sunsets in the west? And this is pretty west.
Yes.
The guy who dropped the bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki is Harry Truman, a president you millennials probably know nothing about. But anyway, this is the Truman Annex, and we're seeing the little White House, where Harry Truman used to hang out.
Jim.
Oh, look at all these
Why
roosters.
did the chicken cross the road?
You go see the southernmost point in the United States, of course, sweetheart. He's unintimidated.
I've never been here.
Okay. Did you want a picture or are you good?
No, I am very good. Look.
Oh, this is a line for photo opportunities at the southernmost point in the United States.
Look at the line, Jim.
There's a line to take your selfies.
I've never been to this unless I was a kid.
This is a very interesting experience.
So this is like a whole other neighborhood we didn't explore. World famous lobster pizza.
Yeah.
What is this place?
Best mojitos.
What is this though? This looks interesting. Oh, it's a hotel.
Now, is this place legitimate?
What's that?
I think it is, but the name, Dancing Finger Massage.
That's pretty bad.
That's pretty bad. Now we're looking for Keynote sandals.
Oh, yes. Here, I'll do it with you, Anna. You're good.
I can see it. I love this place. These are pretty good prices, like 29 bucks for some sandals. Interesting. Tons of tiki drinks. Now we're passing Captain Tony's, one of the more vintage. And this was actually the site of the first original Sloppy Joe's restaurant and bar, 1933. Captain Tony's, $11 bills, character. Look at the rock collection. Some incredible memories. I have visited Captain Tony's. Other celebrities, including people who have honorable bar stools like Muhammad Ali. Other goodies too. Dan Aykroyd.
Well, it was called Sloppy Joe's.
Oh, this was.
This is the original Sloppy Joe's. Yeah.
Okay.
And then in 1937, they raised the rent, so they apparently Ernest Hemingway took his bar stool with them.
Oh, okay. And then why? Who's Captain Tony?
Captain Tony, he came to Key West in the late 50s, and then bought the bar in 1962.
Okay.
It made a nice home.
He has a channel that advertises.
Oh wow!
Famous, different places.
Well, he ended up becoming the mayor of Key West in 1989.
Was that Captain Tony? 19.
Yeah.
How old was he?
He's pretty old.
Yeah, that's the thing. You said he came here in the 50s.
Yeah, and then that year, actually, Jimmy Buffett was his campaign manager.
Oh, did you hear that, Jim? Jimmy Buffett was his campaign manager.
There you go.
Now, in terms of your knowledge of useless information, why do they call Key West if Key West is south?
Because of
Why don't they call it Key South?
If you look at the keys, you go, whoop.
It goes westward, the Keys.
I'll show you on this map.
Okay, so we were at the westernmost part of the Keys then.
Yes.
Hey, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment.